Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today really behind with my monthly card and stamp and die kits that I get from the Stamps of Life. I believe this is June's of this year, 2020. And this is the Die Hard set. I'm not sure if I did a video on this, but I'm going to go over it right now. Let me just grab my magnetic sheets that I use in my pockets. So I have my pockets I get from Amazon, and then I have my magnetic sheets. I've already cut them up. I get this from Home Depot, but they have gone up at least $3 since the recession. Like, holy moly. They used to be like $6. They're like $8 or $9 now for this pack. And like I said, I get it from Home Depot. 8 inches wide by 15 inches long. And there's 3 of them in here. Which I don't have any of them cut up right now, so I'm gonna have to cut some up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my magnet cut, and this was the stamp from the Die Hard Club Kit. How cute, camping theme. I have lots of pictures to go with this. We've been camping a lot, and it's kind of a good thing I watched her video, Stephanie's video, because she said that these were backwards and they don't cut out whatever's in the pad, so we got extra pieces because of that. So I'll have to keep an eye out for that. Whoa. These are just the pieces. So that is the card. I'm gonna just stick it right back on this. Stick it in the pouch. And then we also get inspiration cards every kit. Oh, look at the cute cactus. I'm cactus out. I don't need no more. Oh, we got a free gift. And it looks like it's a layering flower die. Thank you. Did you check it out? Oh, it's got some centers, it looks like. And then this is this stamp set that comes in the Die Hard Club. And it says, always take the scenic route. I like that idea. Happy camper, live, love, camp. This is how we roll. Let's wander, adventure waits. And then the dies cut this out as well. So that was the Die Hard Club Kit. Die Hard Club Kit, yep. And this is the Die Hard. This is the Card Club Kit. Let me get it open. Happy mail from the Stamps of Life. So this is the card kit for June. It is. So like always, we get the envelopes for the A2 size cards. Let me take everything out and I will show you what's going on. Oh yeah, we got a pen too for the first time. So the card kit always comes with more sentiments. And so these are, whoops, sorry. Just felt like sending you a smile today. Hey you, what's new? You've been on my mind, and thanks so much for being there. It means the world to know you care. Oh, so those are the sentiments that come in the card kit. We also got these fun enamel dots. We also got another die that says enjoy today, and this one has the shadow pieces as well. We also got these puffy stickers. How cute are these bears? Oh, so cute. Cute, cute. And then another inspiration card. We got 2 spools of ribbon in chocolate. I don't know what this color is, but they're coordinating. And then we also got this time, usually we get 6x6 paper pads. Sometimes we get these 6x9s. They're not very often, but this kit we did. And here are the papers that are in the kit. There's those bears. I'm sorry they're upside down. Oh, I guess I'll turn it. Here you go. So they're double-sided, nice quality, thick paper. You get 2 sheets of each, and then it just repeats. So that's the 6x9 paper. We also got, these look like stickers. So some grass stickers, some ant stickers, and some cloud stickers. And we also got a bracket tag die set. Look at that. So it's just a tag. It cuts it out. And it has this kind of coordinating with the camping theme. We also get cardstock. And so here's the replacement for the pages that were not correct. So we can cut the camper out the correct way. Thank you, thank you. We also, I think we were shorted paper last kit in May, so we got that extra paper in this kit. Way to be diligent and thorough. But the cardstock for this kit, of course, I think is a more male color palette, just, you know, because it's with the camping theme. So there you go, that's the color palette. And you know, it does coordinate with everything. So that is the club kit for June. Stay tuned, I'm gonna make some stuff and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the paper pad apart, and these are the papers I'm gonna use. This is the side I'm using. This side I'm probably not gonna use. Oh, I might have some scraps. I might put together some cards with the scraps. But this is the side I'm gonna use. And then these papers here I am going to cut out and get some ephemera out of those. And then I'll die cut these. And so I'll be right back. I got 16 cards out of all of them. Yeah, I didn't show you all of them that I made, just a few of them, but 16 cards. Let me zoom in a little closer and I will show them one by one. This is one of them, and there's 3 different versions of that one. So I mixed them up. Oh yeah, here it is. There's the 3rd version. So those 3, and then I have this one. There's another version, and then the reverse of that. So those 3, and then I made 3 of This Is How We Roll. So those 3, and then I made some Let's Wander. These 3, Let's Wander. And then just a few other ones. So those are the 16 cards from the one kit. The Die Hard kit was called Camper to Stamp, and the card kit was called Enjoy Today. So hope you guys are having a crafty day. Stay tuned for more videos like these. You can find them here. Shakas!